Welcome to Python Code channel. In this series we will learn Python programming language. In previous session we learned about what is Python, history of Python and applications of Python, some of the commands we learn and variables. And today's agenda, coming to today's agenda, what is keyword, how many types of keywords are there, what is variable, types of variables, how should we assign a variable. This is the today's agenda. We can go for what is a keyword. Keyword is nothing but a reserved word that have a special meaning associated with and can't be used for anything but those specific purpose. Each keyword is designed to achieve specific functionality. We know that it is a reserved word we can't use for any other purpose, and keywords are case sensitive, and there are 36 keywords available in Python. There are false, none, true, and, as, assert, break, class, continue, def, del, elif, else, expect, finally, for, from, global, if, import, in, is, lambda, non-local, not, or, pass, rise, return, try, while, with, yield. All these are the keywords. Python keywords are case sensitive. All keywords contains only letters, no special symbols, except for 3 keywords: true, false, none. All keywords have lowercase letters. You can see true, false, none. Capital letters are there. We can use keyword module. Keyword is a built-in module to get the list of keywords. Also, this module allows a Python program to determine if a string is a keyword. Using help of function, apart from a keyword module, we can use help of function to get the list of keywords. This is all about the keywords. Next topic is variable. What is a variable? A variable is a reserved memory area to store a value. For example, we want to store an employee's salary. In such a case, we can create a variable and store salary using it. Using that variable name, you can read or modify the salary amount. In other words, we can say that a variable is a value that varies according to the condition or input to pass the program. Everything in Python is treated as an object. So, every variable is nothing but an object in Python. Next, a variable can be either mutable or immutable. If a variable value can change, the object is called mutable. If the value can't change, the object is called immutable. Next, variables are also case sensitive. For creating a variable, how should we create? Variable name equals to variable value. This is the syntax for variable creation. And for string, we can use double quotes. String means group of characters. Integers, we use numbers. Floating values, we use decimal points. This is the examples we have seen. And next, how should we get the data type of a variable? We use the type of function to get the variable. One more thing, Python programming language is dynamically typed, right? So there is no need to declare a variable before using it to declare the data type of variable. Like in other programming languages, we no need to declare int, char, float, data types like that. We can assign a value directly without declaring any data type. Next, ruling and naming conventions. Python is case sensitive, so any variable name that should be have a combination of letters, digits and underscore symbols, and we don't use any special symbols in the variable name like dollar, hash and symbol like that. Shouldn't start with digit means it shouldn't start with number or any special symbols we can't use in the variables name like that. We have two types of variables. One is local variable and another one is global variable. Local variable, global variable means local variables which are defined inside a function we can access within that function only. At that time we don't have the access out of the function. We called it as local variables. Coming to global variables are declared outside of a function. We can access inside and outside of a function also. We can call it as global variables. What is the scope? Scope of a variable refers to a place where we can access a variable. Using this scope only we get these type of local variables and global variables. I am assigning a string assignment value, an integer assignment value and float assignment value, and multiple variables assigning to a single value and multiple variables to multiple values. Here I am taking my variable name as the str1 equals to, in double quotes I provide a string and I am printing that string. We get the output string. For integer assignment I am taking a variable a equals to 12 is my number. I am printing my variable, we get the output 12. For float values b equals to, I am taking my variable name b equals to 12.34. Now I am printing that b. I get 12.34. For multiple variables assigning to a single value we use c equals to, d equals to, e equals to 10. For c value it store 10, for d value it store 10, e value also it store 10. I am printing that values. Assigning multiple values to multiple variables. Here I am taking three variables a, comma b, comma c, and I am assigning each and a is assigned to 12, b is assigned to 34, c is assigned to 45 like that. We said that Python is dynamically typed. Now if we want to know which type of the variable we have given, just write the type of function for that. It will displays which type of data type we use. It will tell you. Just run this. Here you can see first we taken str1 equal to, in double quotes I am writing a string. So here in output it gives like a class string data type we have taken like that. We didn't declare any data type. This type of function will give you the which type of data type you use it. Here a equals to 12. Print type of a. I am asking. When I compile it, it gives class integer variable. We didn't declare any data type. We use the type of function. We get which type of data type we are using. For suppose here we take the float. I am using type of function. When I run, it will give class float. These are the things we have to remember, and we can assign a value to a list of variables also. 1, 2, 3, 6 list of variables I am taking, and we can print that. We print that list of variables also. We can assign a variable to a list of variables, tuples, and dictionaries set.